Samsung's first Exynos chip for cars will boost the information and entertainment system in Audi's vehicle from 2021, the company announced today. The Exynos Auto V9 is based on the 8nm NN process technology and is completed with 8 ARM Cortex-A76 cores, which offer a maximum speed of 2.1 GHz. In addition, the Exynos Auto packages an ARM Mali G76 GPU, a processor HiFi for digital audio signal and an intelligent neural processing unit. The relationships between the two companies actually date back to 2015, when Samsung became the first memory provider to join the German automaker's progressive semiconductor program. In October of last year, Samsung also revealed that it will supply an OLED screen for Audi's first all-electric vehicle, the E-Tron. In addition, the Korean technological giant is building 2 chips for smart cars. But Samsung is not the only technology company looking for hundreds of billions of dollars in the automotive electrical parts industry. The Qualcomm processor, for example, is the heart of the Panasonic Android vehicle infotainment system,